when you're having conversations with parents, what is now bringing this thing that, okay, India's got some interesting, college options, and let's explore India. What are you hearing and seeing in this space?
No, this is a conversation that lots of parents have with us, Gaurav, that let's look at bachelors in India, and depending on how things go, masters ke liye bahar bhejenge. Now, one, it makes a lot of sense. The child is more mature. The child will perhaps have more clarity after 3 or 4 years of education. Right. And obviously, financially, 1 year versus 3 years or 4 years. Personally, we don't buy into that logic. And as I shared, 80-25% of the kids. Yeah. But a very interesting statistic that I'd like to share, till about 2 years back when the overseas Chinese movement just imploded. Right. China was sending, if 100 kids went out, 60% were for masters, but 40% were for bachelors. Now, what I draw, the inference I draw from that, Gaurav, is see how China has grown, advanced over the last 30 odd years. Right. In my opinion, one of the very strong reasons could be the foundational skills that this chunk of kids who are stepping out after class 12 are building in, whether they've come back after that, whether they stayed on there and it's, brain redrain or whatever. But fact is, you have to understand, do not look at it only as a cut and dry thing ki ji, graduation ke baad jayenge. Understand, step back. What is my aim? You are expecting a child to go to a new ecosystem after graduation for 1 year. She needs to settle down there. She needs to understand the teaching methodologies. She needs to do well because loan liya hai, kharcha hai, jo bhi hai. And at the end of it, she needs to land up a job. Do they manage? Of course they do. The success stories are all there. But let's understand, from the IITs versus the rest of the universe, right, the number of kids who go from the IITs are not even going to be in high single digits if you look at the whole market. Okay. A very large percentage of students from India who end up going after masters do face challenges. And challenges could be of various types. But the probability that they would have been better equipped, they would have been better acclimatized, they would have a better understanding of the system, right, if they had gone after class 12 is undeniable.